You can start these procedures once your pregnancy is over. These procedures can be started as early as 6 weeks after the pregnancy is over. It's also safe to perform most of these procedures even if you are planning to get pregnant again in future. In this video, I will discuss multiple treatment options available with us to deal with issue of vaginal rejuvenation for women who are having these issues because of aging or childbirth trauma. Dear friends, all of us are aware that aging process leads to many cosmetic issues for face, skin and other visible portions of our body. We are also aware that cosmetic issues related to face, skin or other parts of the body are generally discussed in open, but many issues relating to aging of female genitalia are not discussed. With changing social values and changing environment and rising awareness among many women, they are coming forward to us to deal with many issues related to their genitalia or general vaginal rejuvenation. During vaginal rejuvenation, we can deal with multiple issues which concern appearance and function of vagina. Externally, there can be loose skin tags or there can be labial folds which interfere with the wearing of tight clothes or while cycling or doing any sports or yoga activities. These procedures are generally performed under local anesthesia and they have minimal downtime. Apart from that, there can be certain issues which are related to internal anatomy. There can be vaginal laxity. This is generally outcome of childbirth, or there can be internal dryness which leads to painful intercourse. During vaginal rejuvenation procedure, by using one or multiple methods, we can deal with most of these issues. What exactly we mean by vaginal rejuvenation? Vaginal rejuvenation is a general term used for multiple procedures which are performed in this area. At time of suggesting vaginal rejuvenation, we may suggest you one or combination of more than one procedures to be performed at the same time. Commonly performed procedures are labiaplasty to improve the external appearance, or fat transfer along with plasma injections for rejuvenation of skin and internal mucosal enhancement. Apart from that, the internal issues regarding vaginal laxity or dryness, they can be improved with non-surgical means also, wherein we make use of high intensity focused ultrasound or radio frequency energy. Vaginal tightening procedure doesn't need any special preparation before the procedure. You can fix your appointment and walk in straight for the procedure. We generally recommend 2 to 3 sessions for this procedure. Apart from reducing the laxity of the vagina and making vaginal cavity tighter, it also improves lubrication by inducing mucosal rejuvenation, which makes the sexual intercourse less painful and improves lubrication at the time of intercourse. When is the right time to perform vaginal rejuvenation procedure? You can start these procedures once your pregnancy is over. These procedures can be started as early as 6 weeks after the pregnancy is over. It's also safe to perform most of these procedures even if you are planning to get pregnant again in future. We at Iconic Clinic believe in honest pricing. All our treatments are extremely affordable, and in case you find it difficult to make all the payments in one go, we have easy finance options available with us.